Now, it's been a tough week for the markets, but growth over the last 10 years is causing 401ks to boom. Yahoo Finance's Ethan Wolff-Mann is in our newsroom with more. Ethan, take us through some of these numbers.
Well, so one really interesting thing is, obviously we see a lot of 10-year forecasts. Anytime you look at a security or an index fund or an ETF, you see that past 10-year window. Well, we've just, the financial crisis is enough in the rearview mirror that is now edited out of that sort of chart when you look back 10 years. And so Fidelity, they looked back at their 401k balances back in 2009, March, at the very bottom, and looked at our Q1 from this year. And the results really are pretty staggering, just seeing that full kind of hockey stick upwards. We're talking about 466% cumulative growth on average from about $52,000 to almost $300,000 during that time. And this is just, first of all, really interesting to note because it's sort of something that can be a little bit misleading if you're looking at those past forecasts. But it also just shows that the 401k system of keeping dollar cost averaging every paycheck, a little bit goes into that account, really does make a difference over time because obviously it's the contributions, but it's also this growth. Now, there's the S&P 500 during that time went up about 13.5%. And annualize the results from the 401k situation, that's almost 20%. So it's really important to kind of take all these factors in cumulatively to think about how this stuff works, but it makes sense to stay using this and really trust in the system, I think.
And Ethan, some of these numbers could look a little different once people open up their 401ks for the second quarter. Markets are really getting hit here.
Yeah, we've had a little bit of issues in the past couple of weeks stock-wise. But one thing which is important to remember is that contributions right now are higher than they have ever been. Now, this is both the employer match, which is almost up to, it's over 4%, but also the amount people are putting in every month. And that it's unlikely someone will be going into their 401k and tweaking that this week, but you never know.